We can imagine it's difficult to keep the ever-changing laws and regulations up to date within your organization. Cargo Compliance Company is a knowledge-based company and can help you solve these problems fast and efficient. We gladly share our knowledge, whether it refers to handling, storage, or transportation of dangerous goods, or specific rules and regulations regarding air freight security. Cargo CC has a team of experts ready to help you become or remain compliant with applicable regulations. We offer a variety of options for our consultancy services, based on contractual agreements whereby you appoint us as your external safety or air freight security advisor, or on a convenient pay-for-use basis where we assist you with actual cases. Ad hoc services can also be provided by means of a written report with our findings and recommendations. If you require additional information or you have a specific question or case that you would like us to help you assist, please get in touch with our customer service department. We gladly assist you with the best option out there. Cargo CC, the Cargo Compliance Company.